Well, this is part 2 of Unit 2B, and we're dealing with question 9. And your electric bill states that you use 890 kilowatt hours of energy in January. Determine your total electrical energy use in joules. If you go to page 104, you'll find the appropriate information, and where 1 kilowatt hour equals 3.6 million joules. So let's start out with our 890 kWh all over 1, and we'll multiply that. We want to get the kilowatt hours to divide out, and we know there's 1 kilowatt hour per 3.6 times 10 to the 6, that's a million, 3.6 million joules. And now the kilowatt hours divide out, and the product is, oh, it's a big one, so I'll need a little more room, equals 3.204 million joules. For number 10, answer the following question involving conversions. How many quarts are in 59 barrels of water? Okay, well, we've got to go to page 97 for this. So we've got 59 barrels. I'll just use a B over 1. And we go to page 97. And let's see what the conversion is. It says 1 barrel of liquid corresponds to 31 gallons. So there's 31 gallons per barrel. And how many quarts? And we know there's 4 quarts to a gallon. 4 quarts to a gallon. And I think we just have to convert to quarts, right? Yeah. So we're ready to go. The gallons divide out, the barrels divide out, and the product of all of this is 7,316 quarts. Good, got it. Now, we've got a couple of problems involving exponents with base 10, and you'll find the refresher for base 10 on page, or for the base 10 on page 100. So, for number 11, we've got 10 to the third times 10 to the negative 6. So anytime you multiply like bases, you add the exponents, and that's going to be 10 to the negative 3. Now let's do, so this was 11, let's do 12. 10 to the second over 10 to the fifth equals 10 to the 2 times 10 to the minus 5. We change the location of this particular factor from denominator to numerator, so we change the sign on the exponent. Now we've got like bases, we'll add the exponents. That's 10 to the 2 minus 5, which equals 10 to the minus 3. So in each case, we've got a 10 to the minus 3, and we're done.